okay?
Okay, did you listen to me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So friends, previous time I was said that you give me limited access. Did you give me full access?
Yes, I think I did now. Do you want to test it?
Yeah, I got a create
Well,
ads
okay.
campaign access. Say you
So videos that are already on the existing advert in the account. Those are the ones that you can use. So they all should be on. They're all on.
Okay, friends. If you give me some emails, I create a new video for a campaign. I want to make new one and compare with the previous video I saw. Which I did. If you have if you I will make a new video. Or if you want, I
Okay,
want.
yeah.
Okay.
I can send that over to you on WhatsApp. What
Okay,
we can
okay,
do.
okay, sure.
Because the advert's going okay at the moment. Probably getting about 2 or 3 leads a day, with a reach campaign and a leads campaign. But have a look at it and see what you think. And then the texts and the headlines on the existing adverts, you can use those for the new adverts as well.
Okay.
It's really the Google ads that I need help with that, and the conversion tracking, especially because the website that I use and I don't have access to it, so I have to, any code that you need adding, I'll need to send it over to them.
Previously, you was maybe give me Google Analytics and Tag Manager access, but when
Yeah,
I set up to unique code, just need to a back panel access. But still, maybe you didn't have your back panel access on in this website.
I've got access to where the host, the domain,
Okay.
so the DNS cache and all that kind of stuff, but not the actual website. It's built on WordPress.
Yeah.
And that's managed by somebody else.
Okay. Okay, friends. Maybe you want to run Google Ads campaign fast. So as you know as you know that a lot of campaign bidding strategy in Google. So if you want, we can run local ads campaign like YouTube video, image ads, or something like that, or we can run traffic ads campaign, or if you want, we can run conversion ads campaign. And as you know, there is so many options. So my question is that which one you chose choice for first ads campaign in Google? We can run local ads campaign, traffic ads, conversion ads, and lead ads as well. What do I mean that which ad you want to run first?
I've been doing a search ad.
Search ad.
Yeah.
Okay. So
What would you recommend?
$5 per day, and later on you can increase. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. So friends, so I start what for today, and if needed several online income methods, I will sometime in our episode. Okay, you can say that
Yeah, yeah. Just tell me when you need me to call.
okay, that's it. I will wait for that later.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay, sometime I would like to say that in this chapter we have discussed the simple advantages of Google Plus versus use Zoom PayPal. What the reason being Zoom PayPal is cancelled?
Um, so I set it up on TapTap,
Okay,
and before that it was a Mastercard, so it just said no.
okay,
So I tried a Visa debit, and then it was pending,
okay,
and then it got sent straight back, and it just said it was reversed. I think it must have been by the bank, but I don't know
okay,
whether it was my bank or your bank. I have no idea. Um, and then Zoom on PayPal, um, it just wouldn't set up. I've got two PayPal accounts, um, and I logged in to set up a Zoom account, and then as soon as I'd set everything up, it just logged into PayPal,
okay.
which was I just yeah
Okay, I
didn't make
understood,
any
friends.
sense.
Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. So we are using in Fiverr now this time.
I think
Okay, friends.
paying in.
Okay. Thank you so much for believing me. And I was tell you previous day accept order and you accept. Love you so much. So, friends, if you if you so or something like that, because as you know that as a freelancer, it's important for my career, and I also need to my account. So if you have no problem, you can give me that.
I can do that. Yeah, when it's all set up and working, I'll do that. No problem at all. And I've
Okay,
got
okay,
there's one or two of my friends as well that might be looking to get set up as well. So I'm in a mentorship group, and there's quite a few other gyms that are just starting with Google adverts and Facebook adverts as well. So yeah, I can put your details into that Facebook group as well.
okay, okay. Thank you.
So yeah, no
Uh,
problem at all.
Okay. Okay, friends. So, how many Google Ads campaign did you? Oh, one. I have a good point. Next time, I would like to forget to like to say. Our area. Previous day maybe you was same just some hints, but you will not give me exact area. So
Could you set up a traffic advert on Facebook?
first.
Yeah.
Uh,
And then if I leave the reach campaign and the leads campaign on for the moment, but the main focus needs to be Google and getting that set up.
sure, sure.
And basically, the advert that's currently switched on is one that I set up, but it's not performing very well in Google.
Okay.
So if you can base it off that
Yeah.
and get it working, that'd be good. I've put all the keywords in there, and all the pages that I want targeting, and with that. So it's one campaign, but there's a few keywords on there. So there's Aldridge personal trainer, female personal trainer.
Yeah.
You'll see there's all those words in there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I
Noted.